Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you're all fine and safe. I'm Mrs. Rani, your science teacher. Have you did your first term test, children? Have you done well? Very good. Okay. Are you all interested and very much excited to start a second term lessons? Yes, new lessons. It will be more interesting. Okay. Okay, very good. Today we are going to start second term lesson number 1, food. Okay, before going to the lesson, just I wanted to give you the instruction that please start writing the assignments, that is the classwork, from the beginning itself. Then only you will find it's very easy and you can complete it in time. Okay. In second term in science we are going to start lessons. Okay, in this second term we have 3 lessons. Okay, children. Lesson number 1 is food, and lesson number 2 is water, and lesson number 3 is plants. Okay, in today's video we are going to start the lesson number 1, food. Okay, in the food lesson we are going to learn in detail about many things. Okay, children. Whenever we get a chance to choose a food or eat favorite items, or we order some food items, we prefer always the taste or the color, the texture, or about other advertisements. All those only you'll be influenced with those things and you'll be craving for those food items. But children, we should understand that food are given to our body to give a energy. That is, if a bike or car, how these vehicles are running with the petrol or the diesel or any other energy things, like when we are using a cycle, when you are pedaling, you are just giving your energy in the pushing and pulling, the cycle moves. Same way our body depends on the food items to do our routine work. So in this lesson we are going to mainly learn about the different nutrients in food. Okay, what are the different nutrients present in the food, and then we are going to learn about the balanced diet, and next is we are going to know about the various meals in a day. Then we are going to learn about the food habits based on the places and the age group. Why do we need food, children? We every day eat food for getting energy to work and play, isn't it? So food gives us energy to work and play. Food builds our body. Food keeps us healthy. See, children, these are the basic functions, basic work of the food. What you are going to gain from these food only, these are the functions. Okay, so what is behind the food? What is inside the food? What is the secret behind the food which is helping you to get a muscle bodybuilding or keep yourself healthy or do your work easily? All these things are done with the 5 main nutrients. That 5 main nutrients are called as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, these 5 main nutrients are very important. These are these 5 main ingredients which is inside the food, and from there only we are getting the energy, the muscle, or even you are protecting from the diseases or any other problem. You are having a healthy body. Those things you are getting from only because of the this 5 nutrients. Okay, so again I'll repeat the words. Okay, this 5 main nutrients we have, okay, that our body requires. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, children, so these are the 5 main nutrients. Okay, we are going to learn this 5 main nutrients in detail in today's session. Okay, children. Okay, before going to this, see this is the October month we are having, isn't it? This October month 16th, that is day after tomorrow, that is on Friday, the World Food Day is observed. Okay, World Food Day is observed on October 16th. Okay, children. Okay, very good. We'll back to the topic. This is the first nutrient, the main nutrient. We say this is the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are generally called as the energy giving food. Okay children, carbohydrates are called as a energy giving food. So from this carbohydrate, what are the ingredients having this? See, this is a nutrient. Okay, say that if I'm eating idli, chapati, rice, okay, all these are the food items. From that food item, what is the nutrient I am getting? Okay, that is called as a carbohydrates. Understood children? Okay, we are going to know about what are the food items contain carbohydrates. That is rice, wheat, potato, sugar cubes and bread. Okay, these are the few example of food items contains the carbohydrates. Okay, this carbohydrates only responsible for giving you energy. Okay, when you are doing any work, when you are getting tired and all, you will be having lot of carbohydrates. Especially you can say that when you are having fever and all, that time doctor will be telling about kanji. Take the kanji, idli or bread they will be giving, because of this energy giving food will help you to gain more energy. Okay, this will be that kanji or this bread will be easily digestible, and as well as you will get a more energy. That's why the doctors are prescribing the energy giving food items. Okay children, next is we are going to learn about proteins. This is the second nutrient. Okay, in proteins, the proteins are called as a bodybuilding food. Okay, bodybuilding, like your muscles or tissues is all maintained and built up with the replaced with the tissues in our body because of this proteins only. These proteins are called as a bodybuilding nutrient. Okay children, this is energy giving food. Okay, energy giving nutrient. This is a bodybuilding nutrients. Okay, so you remember those words. This will be very easy and catchy for you to remember this nutrient names. Okay children, so this, what are the bodybuilding food? So what are the food rich in protein? That's the answer, correct? So example is fish, milk, egg, nuts and sprouted seeds. Okay, so these are the few example of protein rich food items. So when you are eating these food items, when you are consuming these food items, you will be getting more and more protein rich nutrient, so that you will be having a very good muscle and very good body development. Okay children, so this fish also you should understand. Whenever I have seen many children, you eat only fried fish, not in the fish with the gravy, but it's not right. Okay children, for the taste you can eat at least 1 or 2 pieces, but it doesn't mean only fried fish. If you are eating, you will be losing many nutrient in the oil. Okay, when it is fried, so the nutrient will be lost. Okay, so how we are eating also are very important. When you are eating a boiled egg, you will get a more proteins. Okay, comparatively that omelette or any other method you are using, this boiled egg you will get more. Same way the sprouted seeds. Okay, sprouted seeds, it will be getting double the amount of protein comparatively ordinary seeds. That is, if you are eating the same, here you can see some this they will say that green grams, isn't it? This same green gram, if you are eating just only soaking without the sprouting, you will get, if say 50% of protein you will get. But when you are sprouting it, okay, when you are getting a sprouted the seeds and then you are consuming it, you will be getting double the time of protein. Okay children, so how we are eating the food item is also very very important. It doesn't mean that I'm eating lot of eggs in my diet, so I'll get lot of protein. If you say no, it's not. No, wrong. Okay, when you are eating all this food item in a balanced way, that's what we are going to learn in next. Okay, after learning this 5 nutrient, I'll teach you that also. So you should understand what are the food items and how it should be consumed also, very very important. Okay children, next is fats. Okay, these fats are called as a energy reservoir. What is reservoir? Reservoirs are like a dams, isn't it? We have learned in our first term of social. You could have learned in the how we are getting even it's a science and all we have studied in the previous classes. Dam, they will be storing a water for the future uses. It will be saved in a one place, isn't it? Near to the river or the lake somewhere, it will be saved for the future purpose. Same way, the fats provides the energy. The fat will be deposited or stored, okay, in the layer of the skin. See, if you are having if you are having 2-3 dresses, if you are buying 5 dress, what you will do, you will be keeping in the cupboard, isn't it? Like if you are having too much of food items, you will be storing in some other place, isn't it? Like that, if the energy is get in the form of fats, it will be stored and it will be just deposited in our skin, okay, so that it will be used for the future uses, okay children. So fats also keep the body warm during very cold weather. In very especially in the December time or in the very chill climates, you will be feeling cool, the body will be feeling very chill, isn't it? That time, if you have a very good in the sense adequate fat in your body, you won't have that much chillness. Your body will be having a little warm during those time also, okay. Just I'll come back to the obesity and overweight. Why I'm telling this obesity and overweight? Too much of fat. Even nowadays, small children also having the too much of fat in their body. I have seen that. Doesn't mean that if you look fat or you are having a little chubby health, no, you don't feel that it's not wrong, but you should know to do your work, or you are able to do your regular work without any problem, flexible in way, then it's not an issue at all, okay. So this obesity and overweight always should be in the proper way, so that the fat, if it is there more in your food items, especially if you are eating too much fried items, too much oily items, definitely your fat level will be more, okay children. Then you'll get overweight and obesity, okay. This overweight and obesity leads to many diseases, children. I tell you, in future definitely many health related issues will be there. So better in childhood itself, you should know to eat in a healthy way and a healthy amount of food items. That is also very, very important. If you like one food item or snack item, the one whole packet you should not eat. Okay, you should know to eat little. Okay, the proportion, the amount, the size also, it's very, very important for taking anything. Okay, children. So, see, especially the fat related food items are cheese, butter, ghee, meat, oil and nuts. See children, when you are eating like these food items, if you are eating in a correct amount, you won't have any problem, okay, because the energy will be stored in your body. When suddenly if you are falling sick, when you have fever, suddenly you are having any problem, then this fat will be just taken that energy from that place, okay. It will give you the energy for your body. So the fat level should be always in a correct way, okay children. Then we are going to learn about the fourth nutrients, vitamins, okay. In our body, vitamins works to help the body work properly, okay. That is the exact correct word. And it protects our body from the deficiency diseases. Actually, in our body, if we are not having enough nutrients, what we'll be having some deficiency problems will be there, right? So in those issues, the vitamins and minerals are like a protectors, like they are like our soldiers in our body, you know. These carbohydrate, protein, fat, these items will give you energy, the muscle, everything. But this vitamins and minerals are like a soldiers, like how this army soldiers will be standing on the border and they will be protecting the country. Same way, these vitamins and minerals are just protecting ourselves from the diseases, especially if you have a good immunity. Now this coronavirus COVID-19, many what they were telling, have a good healthy lifestyle and you should have a good immunity power, then you won't be having the COVID-19 problem. They are telling this again and again in the news, and you could have heard from any, isn't it? Because this immunity is developed with this vitamin and minerals only. So you should be very, very clear to just include in your food item. That is, all these vitamins and minerals are present mostly in the fruits and vegetables. Okay children, especially vitamins, carrot, orange, gooseberry, papaya and greens. Okay, greens, whatever the greens you are eating in a different, okay, daily if you are eating or alternative days you are taking greens, it's very very good for your health. Okay, even in the diet. Same way, these minerals are just like a protector, and same way minerals help in formation of blood, bone, teeth. Okay, so this helps to form the blood and bone and teeth also. So it's regulate the body for the functions. Okay, especially the minerals present in fig, pear, garlic, banana and apple. Okay, so these are the food items present in the minerals. Okay, lot of minerals are present in these food items. So when you eat your favorite food, you should know about whether it is having a carbohydrate, protein, fats or vitamins and minerals. Why we should see all those things? Wait, I'll come to. Because all the 5 nutrients the body requires, isn't it? So when you are having this balanced diet, when you are eating, the food should have all the nutrients in a correct amount. That is, all the nutrients. See, you can see here, this is the carbohydrate food items, isn't it? And these are the nutrients, that is the vitamins and minerals, right? These are the food items, includes the, what is this? Proteins, isn't it? Egg, fish, meat and all we have seen in the proteins only, isn't it? And these are the cakes, juices, all the sugary items, all those things are come under the fat and all those things only. So when you are eating the food, this pyramid, this is called as a food pyramid. Okay, this is a food pyramid. So when you are eating the food, when you are eating this energy giving food more, and equally to this little more less, okay, the fruits and vegetable, you can protect yourself very well. The bodybuilding food also should be there. Same way, very less amount of this fat item you should consume. Understand children? So this is the food pyramid we have to follow in our daily routine food. Okay, then only you will have a very good healthy lifestyle in your future. Okay, this balanced diet always should be eaten in the this top of the pyramid. When it's going, no, it's going very less, isn't it? So like this only, you just think about and compare your daily routine food items, what you eat in your daily food item, then you compare yourself. Most of us, what we'll do, we'll be eating upside down. This fat items we'll be eating more, and this non-veg, that is especially meat. See, not only this protein is here, they are given in a 2 groups, isn't it? This is all non-vegetarian is there, here vegetarian. So these are the food items, even the paneer, tofu and always this milk. Okay, these are the milk related these things and all rich in the protein. Okay, so all these things in the rivers only we used to eat, but that is very very wrong. Okay children, we should understand this. Then we should understand about one more main nutrient, I'll tell you. And very importantly, I want to insist and I wanted to tell you people to follow. Okay, you children follow that. One more important food item which should be included in your diet, that is called roughage. See, roughage is not a food item or separate, not a different thing. It's a fiber actually. Whatever the food you are taking for your morning breakfast, lunch or whatever it is, how much the fiber is there in the food, which helps to your body to absorb the nutrient easily, and as well as it will give you the complete digestion process in your regular life. So this roughage is very very important children. Especially this roughage is present in the fruits and vegetables more. Okay, comparatively this all this carbohydrate fruits or many other things foods, this is roughage is having lot of the fruits and vegetables. So according to this, you can follow the all 5 nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and also this roughage also we should have a account of that amount, okay, in a regular food item. And here they are given one more. This milk is a complete balanced diet. Why? Because in the milk we have all the 5 nutrients are present in the milk, so the milk is called as a balanced diet, okay children. And one more thing, here few example they are given. Carrot contains vitamin A, bran contains vitamin B, gooseberry contains vitamin C, milk contains vitamin D, sunflower oil contains vitamin E, cabbage contains vitamin K. So these are few example of the vitamins, okay, and the vitamin names are given here, okay. This after once you get the reader, it will be easy for you to follow all these things. This I made a PDF, okay. Now you don't want to worry. I have made in the notes I have included this as a PDF, so you can learn from this also, okay children. Till this I have mentioned about the 5 different nutrients which is present in the food item, and as well as how we should eat also I have told you. So one more last thing I want to insist and I wanted to complete today's session is, see, always eat food in a colorful way, not in a artificial colors. Don't eat any artificial colors. Make the food items in your daily life with a colorful food. How you can make a colorful food? Because when you are eating all these fruits and vegetables, definitely your plate will look more bright and colorful. Yes or no? When you are eating carrot, beans, lady's finger, cabbage, all different colors, beetroot, all these things will have a different shades of colors, and as well as different nutrients are present in those fruits and vegetables. That's why I am telling, when you start eating colorful food items, that is the natural colorful food item, you will get lot of vitamins and minerals, okay children. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll come to you next week, okay. In this lesson continuation we will start in the next class, okay children. Please complete the classwork. I'm going to give this along with this video. Complete it in time, okay children. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.